Everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see about the three-phase transformers. Yeah, three-phase transformer is required to step up or step down the three-phase voltage in a power system like generator station, transmission side or distribution side, etc. The three-phase transformers can be constructed in one of the any following ways. So three separate one single phase transformers can be connected for the three phase operation. Such an arrangement is known as three phase bank of transformers. A single phase transformer can be constructed in which the core and winding for all three phases are combined in a single structure. And this is the construction of a single phase transformer. One is nothing but core type construction, another one is nothing but cell type construction. So in core type construction, this is a limb 1, a limb 2, limb 3, and this is nothing but R phase winding, Y phase winding, and B phase winding. And this is a shell type transformer. So in shell type transformer, this is for R phase, and this is for Y phase, and this is for B phase. So here in both the limb, in the single limb, it has both the primary winding as well as secondary winding. That is for R phase, it has both primary as well as secondary winding. Both are separated with the insulating medium. So in a core type construction, three-phase transformer, the magnetic core is built up of laminating steel sheet. The core consists of three limbs in the same plane. Each limb carry both low voltage winding as well as high voltage winding. That is nothing but primary as well as secondary winding. As it is easier to insulate the low voltage winding from the core than the high voltage winding. The low voltage winding are placed next to the core with the required insulation between the core and the low voltage winding. Okay. And the shell type transformer. The three-phase shell type transformer is constructed by stacking three single-phase shell type transformer. The direction of the winding of the central unit is made opposite to the units R and B. Okay, so just you can the construction which is similar to the single-phase transformer, Okay, so the primary winding of three-phase transformer is energized from the three-phase supply. So the flux which is produced in the core by the primary current in the following ways. The core has three limbs where any two limbs act as a return path for the flux in the third limb. Okay, so just you can note down here the core has three limbs. Okay, now the core, just we can look, the core which has three limbs, limb 1, limb 2, limb 3. Okay, the core has three limbs where any two limb can act as return path for the flux in the third limb. Okay, so one is the return path. The flux produced by the primary winding induces EMF in the secondary winding depending on the transformation ratio of the three-phase transformer. So the transformation ratio, which is nothing but the number of turns, the supply voltage and the inducer voltage, based on this parameter, the current through the primary and the secondary winding gets different. If the primary voltage increases, inducer EMF increases. Okay, and the number of turns increases, the induced EMF increases. So everything is directly proportional. So one thing, the current is just opposite. The current is only just opposite to the operation. Okay, and normally the during this construction, the three-phase transformer can be further classified into four categories. One is nothing but star to star conversion. Next, star to delta conversion, and delta to delta conversion, and delta to star conversion. So based on the required output voltage, we can prepare any one of the combination based on the star delta combinations. And this is the assessment. The size of the transformer core the transformer core size, which is depends upon frequency. And next, permissible flux density in the core material. Next, area of the core, and last option, both A and B. That is both frequency as well as permissible flux density in the core material. So put your answer in the comment section, and these are the few references. Thank you.